Hey there, food lovers! Welcome to a journey where taste meets health, and every bite is a step towards feeling fantastic. Let's talk about eating yummy and feeling fantastic. Imagine a world where every meal is not just delicious but also nourishing, giving you the energy and vitality to conquer your day. It's like a party in your mouth and your body's the VIP guest. Every bite you take is a celebration of flavors and nutrients that make you feel alive and vibrant. Think of your meals as fuel. The good stuff keeps you going strong, just like a car needs premium gas to run smoothly. When you choose wholesome, nutritious foods, you're giving your body the best possible fuel to keep it running at its peak. We're diving into two superstars from the garden: Jamaican string beans and cucumbers. These humble veggies are powerhouses of nutrition, offering a range of benefits that can transform your health. They're packed with good-for-you stuff that makes your body sing. From vitamins and minerals to fiber and antioxidants, these vegetables are like little gifts from nature, designed to keep you feeling your best. These veggies are like the secret ingredients to a healthier, happier you. Incorporating them into your meals can boost your energy levels, improve your digestion, and even enhance your mood. So grab your cutting board and your sense of adventure, because we're about to unlock a world of flavor and well-being. Get ready to explore new recipes, discover the joys of cooking with fresh ingredients, and experience the incredible benefits of eating healthy. Let's embark on this delicious adventure together. Don't let their size fool you. Jamaican string beans are bursting with nutrients. They're like those little energy bars, but way tastier and better for you. First up, we've got fiber, the superhero for your digestion. Then there's vitamin A, which helps your eyes sparkle and your skin glow. And don't forget about vitamin C, the immunity booster that keeps those pesky colds away. But wait, there's more. These green beans are also a good source of folate, important for cell growth and energy production. And they're low in calories, so you can enjoy them without the guilt trip. Eating Jamaican string beans isn't just about getting your veggies, it's about giving your body the tools to thrive. The fiber in these beans keeps things moving smoothly in your digestive system, preventing constipation and bloating. Feeling sluggish? The iron in these beans helps your body produce red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body, giving you that much-needed energy boost. And for all my ladies out there, Jamaican string beans are a great source of folate, which is essential during pregnancy for a healthy baby. So, eat up and nourish yourself from the inside out. Cucumbers are like nature's little water bottles, keeping you hydrated and refreshed. They're made up of mostly water, which is amazing for flushing out toxins and keeping your skin glowing. But cucumbers aren't just about hydration. They're also packed with vitamins and minerals. We're talking vitamin K for healthy bones, vitamin C for a strong immune system, and potassium for regulating blood pressure. And let's not forget about the crunch. Cucumbers add a satisfying crunch to salads, sandwiches, and even water. Plus, they're super low in calories, so you can snack on them guilt-free. Section 5. Cucumber Wonders, from digestion to glowing skin. Cucumbers are like the ultimate multitaskers of the veggie world. They're not only hydrating and nutritious, but they also offer a bunch of health benefits. The high water content in cucumbers helps with digestion, preventing constipation, and promoting regularity. They also contain an enzyme that aids in the digestion of protein, making your meals easier to break down. And if you're looking for a natural way to soothe your skin, look no further than cucumbers. They have cooling and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce puffiness, redness, and irritation. Section 6. Fun facts, surprising secrets of these veggies. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of some of your favorite veggies. Did you know that Jamaican string beans are technically legumes, not beans? Yes, you heard that right. These slender green delights are part of the legume family. They're part of the same family as peas and lentils. This means they share a lot of nutritional benefits with these other legumes, such as being high in protein and fiber. And cucumbers? They're actually fruits, not vegetables. This might come as a surprise, but botanically speaking, cucumbers develop from the flower of the plant and contain seeds. They grow from the flower of the plant and contain seeds. Another fun fact? Cucumbers are incredibly hydrating, consisting of about 95% water, making them perfect for a refreshing snack. Cucumbers have been cultivated for over 3,000 years. They have a long and storied history that dates back to ancient civilizations. They originated in India and were even enjoyed by ancient Egyptians. These ancient people valued cucumbers not only for their taste, but also for their cooling properties in the hot desert climate. Who knew these veggies had such a rich history? From ancient times to modern kitchens, these vegetables have been a staple in diets around the world. So next time you're enjoying these delicious and nutritious foods, remember these fun facts and impress your friends and family with your veggie knowledge. Whether it's at a dinner party or a casual meal, you'll have some fascinating tidbits to share. Section 7. Embrace the power of fresh produce. Fresh produce is not just a feast for the eyes, but a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your health and well-being. We've explored the amazing benefits of Jamaican string beans, which are rich in vitamins and minerals, and can be a versatile addition to many dishes. And let's not forget cucumbers, which are hydrating and packed with antioxidants. But they're just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the variety of fresh produce available. There's a whole world of delicious and nutritious fruits and vegetables out there, waiting to be discovered and enjoyed. Each visit to the market can be an adventure in finding new flavors and health benefits. Each type of produce comes with its own unique set of health perks. For example, berries are great for brain health, while leafy greens support your immune system. Eating a variety of colorful produce is like giving your body a rainbow of nutrients. The different colors often indicate different types of vitamins and minerals, all of which are essential for maintaining good health. It's the key to feeling your best, boosting your energy, and enhancing your overall mood. Fresh produce can be a great companion to your fitness routine, providing the necessary fuel for your body and supporting your overall health. Sharing meals rich in fruits and vegetables can also bring families together, creating a culture of health and wellness at home. So, make a conscious effort to include more fruits and veggies in your daily diet. Plan your meals ahead, and make sure your fridge is stocked with a variety of fresh options. Your body will thank you for it. Not only will you feel more energized and vibrant, but you'll also be taking a significant step towards long-term health and happiness. Section 8. Spread the word. Healthy living is a team sport. Now that you're armed with all this awesome information about Jamaican string beans and cucumbers, it's time to share the wealth. Tell your friends, family, and coworkers about the benefits of these incredible veggies. Let's create a ripple effect of healthy living, one delicious meal at a time. Together, we can inspire each other to make healthier choices and live our best lives. Section 9. Stay tuned for more. That's all for today's culinary adventure. I hope you learned something new and exciting about these two powerhouse veggies. Don't forget to stay tuned for more fun facts, delicious recipes, and healthy living tips. Remember, eating well should be a joy, not a chore. Now go out there and rock your healthy lifestyle.